It's got a blue spots. Hey, lizard.
If you tap him on the tail, he'll run.
Goodbye. 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 I found a night snake. Oh, mine. It's musky.
Yep, I can smell it. Now, if you look at the pupils, it should have cat eyes.
Come here. It does have cat eyes. So we found a male tarantula. Yeah. You can still hold it. Okay.
Yeah, Claire says, but she wouldn't do it.
Go into my hand. Ooh. Oh. Nope, don't go in the bathroom. Nope.
No, it just rubbed its hair.
Yeah.
I found a desert toad.
The desert toad. It's big. Ooh. Yeah, it's so slimy. No, you don't.
Trevor caught it and I found it. It's breathing.
It's pissing.
Alright, can I hold it now?
It's kind of slimy and slippery. I feel like you'll drop it. What'd I say?
Get it.
We found a tailless whip scorpion. Yeah.
Yeah.
It has the pincers that it pulls stuff in with, and it has long legs.
Pretty much.
Why don't you back up the flashlight so it's not so blinding? There we go. That's a better view. So,
Ooh, oh, go fast.
see how fast they go?
Grasshopper. That's a big grasshopper.
Yep. But
Runs like a... So, what we have here is a wind scorpion.
Trevor, don't shine it right on or else you can't get a good view of it.
yeah.
And they have big jaws that they rub back and forth to catch prey, and they're really fast.
Alright. Gila monster!
Alright, so we found this Gila monster in the wash at night. It's not a very big one. It's about, maybe about a foot long. And it's sort of a pink color. And it's definitely a reticulated pattern.
And they use their stumpy tail for storing food for long periods of no food.
So it looks like this one needs to do some more storage. It's not a very fat tail.
No. So we found a big millipede compared to the side of my hand.
About as long as your hand, but your hand's short though.
It's still big.
Yep.
And then we also found a banded gecko. It's obvious why it's called a banded gecko.
Your light's too bright though. Yeah. Oh, why don't you put them on the road and watch them?
I want to hold him first.
You can, alright, click and hold them first.
Go away! Oh wow, that is not fast at all. It's just stubby.
Alright, so this is a Sonoran coral snake.
Apparently not.
And this one is bitey, so I'm not going to let it, don't want to let it bite me because they do have a pretty toxic venom. But fortunately a very small mouth. And it's everting its cloaca, or it's making a popping noise by pushing air through the cloaca. And that's something they use to scare off predators. And so coral snake has bands that goes all the way around the body. Oh, It's trying to bite again. Yep.
That's fun.
We're looking for banded rock rattlesnakes. Unfortunately, I think it's way down there now. Oh.
Let's get another. Aha.
Oh, we found 2 of them.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Looks like a den. One is green and one is blue.
Can I see?
Yes, you may.
Double rattle.
That's the first time I found 2 in one spot.
Oh, we got lucky.
Yep.
So we found a green rat snake. It was crawling across, well, it was sitting on the road. And then, yeah, so.
Yep. So this is a juvenile that still has a pattern on its back.
There's some yellow on the side.
And a long nose. So we caught a yarrow spiny lizard, and it's a very distinct pattern, and it's biting me. And it's not letting go.
So maybe you could show us the whole lizard instead of just like, here we go.
And the other side?
And then we found a Madrean alligator lizard. It has a very long tail because it moves like a snake. It's very whippy. That's all I know.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Me. Oh, no, okay. So we found a green and silver metallic bug that looks like it's related to a June bug. We have no idea what it is.
Some kind of beetle.
Yeah, that's what it is. And the claws really hurt. It's really sharp. So.
Okay, so here we have a Sonoran lyre snake. It's also called a Trimorphodon. And on its head, there's the U shape that's like a lyre. And they have slit eyes, or they have slit pupils, like cats, and then shiny gold metallic iris. Okay, so here we have found a Vinegaroon, otherwise known as a whip scorpion, and it's an arachnid that is like a scorpion, but instead of a stinger, it has a third feeler in the back, or otherwise a whip. And out of the base of its tail, it sprays a vinegar-like substance, and like a scorpion, it has pedipalps that are like claws that bring in the prey. And It's a male, and we found it in the Chiricahua Mountains.
Don't forget about the two front legs.
And the two front legs are also feelers.